Good evening, dear students. In previous class, we had completed exercise 3A. Today, we are going to start our next exercise. So, today's our topic is addition and subtraction of decimal. Because of our chapter is decimal, and in previous exercise, we had studied how do we convert decimal to fraction to decimal. Then today we will learn addition of decimals. How do we add decimals numbers? There is a method. What is a method? Step first, convert the given decimals into like decimals. Which decimals with you do you have that time? So first of all, you will convert all decimals in like decimals form. Then second step, write the addends one under the other in column from keeping the decimal points of all the addends in the same column and the digits of the same place in the same column. What the means of addends? This addends means a number which is added to other. Separate number which is added to other is called addend. So in decimal there is a two part, before decimal and after decimal. Decimal right side fractional part and decimal left side whole number part. And column and row, you know, when we write the numbers up to down form, so it's called column. There is written the other in the column form. So first of all, write the addends one under the other in column form like this. One under the other in the column form. You can see there, this is our exercise question. There is a given some decimals and all decimals are not in the like decimal form. So first of all, we will converting the given decimal in like decimal form. Like decimals form, what the means of like decimals form? Like decimals form means after the decimal number of digits place. Okay, digits place it will be same. It means number of digits after the decimal it will be same. So you can see here in this question, 16 is in on the only whole number form. There is no decimal. This is a comma. And second number is 8.7 and third number is 0.94 and next number is 6.8 and then next number is 7.77. So you can see there all decimals are not in the like decimals form. So how do you convert all given decimal in the like decimals form? First of all, you just see highest number of place after the decimal, which is tens and hundreds. Highest decimal place is hundreds. Hundreds means after the decimal 2 digits. So we will convert all numbers should have after the decimal 2 digits. So how you convert? Converting the given decimals into like decimals form, you just insert the decimals, then each and every decimals after the decimals 0, because highest place is hundreds. Hundreds means 2 digits. So we will insert the decimal and after the decimal 2 digits should be there. If there is not, so we will insert the 0 for converting unlike to like. So you can see we will insert decimal and after decimals 2 digits. If not there, so we insert there is 2 0. There 1 digits already, so we will insert only 1 0. Same like other numbers also. Okay. Then after our next step is step 3. Add as in the case of whole numbers. First of all, we will add as in the case of whole numbers. It means firstly we will add whole numbers. Okay, we will add whole numbers. Then after the decimals should be, when you arrange the numbers, you just be careful hundreds place below should be hundreds digits, tens place below should be tens digit, decimals below decimals, ones place ones, tens place tens. Okay, then next step 4, in the sum put the decimal point directly under decimal points in the addends. So then after, when you arrange the numbers in the column wise and convert it into like decimals, so you start your addition from same always right side. Then 7 plus 4 11, 1 carry 1. Then again you will add tens place digit, then just transfer the carry. After the arrange the numbers, you will add same like simple addition. Then after, only one thing, be careful, decimals should be below decimal. It means after the decimal 2 digits should be there, because other numbers also have after the decimal 2 digits. And other process only simple like addition, which you did in previous classes also, in previous 4th 5th standard, simple addition, carry addition. So firstly, what is the method for addition to decimal? First of all, you will convert all given numbers into like decimals form. Then after, you will arrange all numbers in column wise. Then you will add simply addition rules. Then after, you will just insert the decimals below decimal. I hope so you understand. And this is our exercise first question. So this also I already explained with the help of rule of decimal. Now you can see our next question, question number 9. Other questions, same process which we will follow in the first one also, in there we will follow others one also, same process, no any difference is there. You just convert like decimal, arrange in column wise, then you add. Let's see our next question. Question is subtract. How do we subtract of decimals? So same process, converting the decimal unlike to like and arrange in the column forms. Only one thing is difference. What is the difference? There is a subtraction. Let's see how we do. You can see there, students, there is a from. From means after the from numbers you should write in the upper side. From 72.43. So these two numbers already in the like decimals form, so no need to convert, already it is converted. And from means after the from number we will write upper side, and before from we will write in below. Then simple subtractions. This is a carry subtraction, because 3 is not able to subtract with 9, so we will take carry. 13 minus 9, which is 4. Then again 13, it will take carry from there, and simple subtractions, nothing else, nothing major anything. And let's see our question number 15. Other questions also same like 36.74. and one thing, if any other numbers is not in the means like decimal form, so we should convert in like decimals, putting insert 0. Okay, then let's see our next question. Question number 15. 2.5307 from 8. So you can see our second number 8 is in whole number form, there is no decimal. Then what to do? First of all, you just converting the given decimal into like decimal. So how do you convert 8 like decimal? First of all, you just count after the decimal how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means after 8 you just insert decimal, and then you just insert 40, because in another number there is after the decimal 4 digits. So we will convert unlike to like, insert decimal, and then we will add 40, and we have now both number in the like decimal form. So we will subtract larger number to smaller number, larger number to smaller number, and from after that number we will write in upper side. then simply you just subtract, you just take carry and subtract by subtraction method. I hope so you understand, students.